Hello, everybody. Wanted to take some time to just go over what we're doing this week for your government, your world. We're going to be blogging again. About an hour ago, I released this blog for you to check out and do. So, there are two things that I thought you could look at this week. And I posted them on my website. And what there are two powerful things to look at. The first website is a blog website and YouTube channel that has other things on it that is very important. So is something I'd like you to go through and spend some time looking at one or more of the sites to learn about current human rights violations in the United States. If you have time, or instead of that, what you can do is to go back to this link where there's an amazing YouTube clip, which is New Orleans Mayor Mitch Landrieu speaking about why it was so important to take down historical monuments. So if you're looking for something a little more domestic, a little bit more American, you could watch this and then write about it. And so what we're going to be doing is going back to our blog here. And basically what I'm going to ask you to write about is, what did you learn about what's going on with human rights in the world today? And how would you define human rights? So that's for you to work on. Also remember, it's important for you to list an educational website about current human rights in the world and post thoughtfully on two others' posts. Looking at some of the blog posts that I've seen so far from people, try to avoid just putting down basic information that seems to be copy and pasted from a website. Take some time to formulate what you learn in your own words. It's very easy to see when you're not doing that. And also with the reactions to others, please be thoughtful in your reactions to others. Don't just say that you liked it, but what did you like about it? So that's it. Don't forget, you're going to always post in the comments section. Remember that when you do post, you'll want to post as anonymous so that you can post with your name. And you want to post with your period. Okay? And then just post like that. It's going to ask you if you're a robot. You're not a robot. And then you'll see your post here. So I hope that's helpful to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.